In this step of the painting process, I'm gonna start adding colors to create small shapes in the shirt. And I think the shirt can be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna use this number 12 round brush. I'm gonna get a little bit red color, start from here. Okay. Okay, that's good. And I'm gonna connect a little bit color, a little bit green, yellow colors here too. And add a little shape into the light side. And you can add this little shape, can be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna get this a little bit darker gray colors and still add a little green colors. Here you go. I'm gonna add this color in here. Let this a little bit softer, extended coming down. And the top over here, I want to add a little bit darker colors that it looks like a little brown. I already have some brown color over here. So right here, so also make the edge of the face to pop a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of the green color, so I'm gonna get a little bit more yellow color in here and get a little bit Windsor blue. I think that's a little bit too bright. Let me see, get a little bit red. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit shape in here first. And under here need to be darker. This need to be darker. So I'm gonna render that squinting my eye. So you can see the colors need to be much darker. Here you go. I'm gonna add a little bit line over here, show it the movement in the shirt. Okay. Down here, I still want it to be darker. I'm gonna get a little bit more blue colors with this gray colors, with already a mixture of the red and blue colors. Now I'm gonna work into the both side of the leg, and I can soften shape first. Okay, the top looks good now. Now the bottom, I need a little bit more blue colors. A little red, a little blue colors. Now it's make it a little bit darker under here. Good. On this side, the same color should carry on to this side of the leg. Let's see. The bottom here can be darker, but since the color is still wet, the color is going to be easily fade away into other colors, so we can come back later. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit more red color up here, and actually this can close up a little bit and have this a little touch into the arm. There's a little bit more red. Now what I want to do, I'm going to working into both sides over here. And first I need to remove, I'm gonna get help with this flat brush. I'm gonna make it a little smaller shape. And then remove that colors. Just be consistent. You keep moving in the area, and then let go some of the water, and then I'm gonna come back to do that a few more times. Okay, that looks much softer in here. Now also see in this area, I also want to lift it off some colors. And also in here is a little bit lighter, have some light coming through. So I'm gonna have these areas a little bit lighter. This step is all about adjusting colors. You need to have some color a little bit darker, make some color a little bit darker, and some areas should be lighter, make a little lighter. You can make all the adjustment, all the changes. And we are focused on the structure of the object, the structure of the face, the structure of the shirt. And when you do the shirt, you'll be aware of the body underneath the shirt need to be correctly represented. If the structure is not correct, even you have the details, it looks, the eye, the nose, it looks good, but they are on the wrong structure. The likeness is difficult to achieve. Now, I remove the color because the area is already dry now. Get a little Prussian blue and a little bit red, get a little bit more red in here. Okay, let's see. Now the color much easier to deepen. Okay, that's too dark. I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter, and here you go. There's a little fold in here. That's good. Now I have developed some nice details in the shirt. Next, I'm gonna work on the arms and legs.